ABP Food Group is a large provider of beef and pet food into the European and UK markets. We're a very diverse organisation geographically, with sites in mainland Europe, the UK and Ireland. We've got 11,000 colleagues that we're trying to bring together in the organisation. So this was one of the key reasons why we were moving on to Microsoft collaboration technology. ABP as a group is made up of 5 different divisions, and bringing those divisions together from a communication perspective was the start of the digital transformation journey for us. We wanted to bring those divisions together to communicate more easily. But it's also very clear in particularly the grocery sector that businesses are wanting to communicate with their suppliers in a very different way. And that's the whole supply chain communication. So enabling us to interact with our customers in a much more collaborative, open and secure way was absolutely fundamental to the journey that we were going on. And that's really why Microsoft was such an important part of this. Through the journey to Microsoft 365, Bytes have helped us in a number of different ways. They've provided architecture advisory services, making sure that we're setting up our environment to take on the new services.
Our initial conversations with Bytes helped give us a bit of an understanding of how other Bytes customers were deploying 365. It gave us very much a direction of where we were going to go with our 365 and the confidence that we were doing the right thing.
They've run events when we've been able to go with other customers and understand the different technology sets that are available, both from Microsoft and complementary to the Microsoft solution.
Bytes also helped give us a clear definition of what our security should be looking like during our deployment, so we don't expose our company to any risks.
As we worked with Bytes on this, it became very clear that the enterprise mobility and security services that came with Microsoft 365 were much more important to us than we'd first realised. And we moved from Office 365 to the full Microsoft 365 service suite. Bytes helped us to scope out what the work is, provided commercial advisory, and finally also helped us remediating as we've implemented and run into small issues that needed to be resolved.
It is a collaborative partnership between ABP Food Group and Bytes. ABP Food Group is a complex multi-divisional business with multiple teams working towards not only shared goals but also divisional specific objectives. So the way in which those multiple teams have really opened up with Bytes and shared their technical and business challenges with us has really enabled us to work together positively and proactively towards achieving those goals together.
Culturally, ABP has been a business where there's been little need to work remotely, and working from home wasn't considered an option. In a competitive and challenging environment, we've quickly recognised the need to deploy Microsoft 365 to support remote working. And we'd already started working with Bytes to understand potential ways of delivering this, and as a result, we were able to deliver this technology really quickly. And now I'm getting inundated with requests from the business for different ways of working. So, for example, can we use Microsoft Teams to onboard prospective employees? And it's removed blockers to previous ways of working where departments maybe had a challenge of sharing sensitive data, not necessarily using the tools we provided. This has really helped. As an organisation, we're looking to extend the use of Office 365 across our whole business. So not just our office-based workers and our remote workers. Actually, how can we get our production staff using the tools more as well? And my first port of call in helping me decide how to do that will be speaking to Bytes.
The asset management service that we deliver gives not only full visibility, but also the opportunity to optimise not only existing investments, but also influence and help inform future cloud spend.
ABP would see Bytes right in the top tier of our partner relationships. From an account management point of view, I think we get a really good service. When we've hit the bumps in the road that we have on the implementation, we've been able to take advantage of the different teams that Bytes have, the cloud solutions team, the fast track team, and the security team. What we're looking to do is to be even more ambitious in the future in moving towards cloud services. And I really look forward to working with Bytes to keep that journey on track.